How to connect phone to TV. First of all, make sure your TV and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network if you're using wireless methods like casting or screen mirroring. After that, on your phone, look for the cast or screen share option in the quick settings menu or in your settings under connected devices. Tap on it and wait for your TV's name to appear, then select it to connect. If you're using a streaming device like Chromecast, make sure it's plugged in and set up on your TV. You can also connect with a cable, for example, using an HDMI adapter if your phone supports it. Just plug the adapter into your phone, connect it to the HDMI cable, then to your TV, and switch your TV input to the correct HDMI port. After connecting, your phone screen should show up on the TV, letting you watch videos, browse photos, or even play games on the big screen. So this is how to connect phone to TV. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful.